Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to pin your location on Google Maps. So as you can see right here, after you allow the Google Maps to have access to your location, you're going to see the blue circle. Click on the blue circle right here and you're going to see this is your location, right? If you want to add, that location as, if you want to pin that location, all you got to do is simply, go in share location, or basically you could just hold right here to that nearby location of your place and then just save it or pin it, right? And basically after you saving it, you're gonna save it to favorites, want to go, travel plans, start, places, whatever it might be. Hit done, and basically now you saved a pinned location on your Google Maps in iPhone. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.